Threshold quantity level for any product is the minimum amount of inventory that you should keep on hand to fulfill orders. Basically, it signals the need to replenish your stock by making necessary purchase or reordering. In Orderhive, you can either assign a common threshold quantity to all products or mark specific threshold value individually to each product. So at first, let's see how to set threshold quantity for a product individually. Go to Products page from the main menu. Select and double-click the product to which you want to set the individual threshold value for. From the pop-up page, click on the Edit button to arrive at the product detail page. On this page, simply enter the threshold value in the blank field next to "Warn me when the available stock goes below." Say if you set the value as 3 here, as and when the stock level for the product goes below the threshold 3, the yellow box will indicate the low stock status. That's how you can set product level threshold while creating a new product or editing a product in Orderhive. Please note that if any individual product is not assigned a threshold value, Orderhive will consider the common or global threshold value as set on product settings page. Also note that priority will always be given to the product level threshold over the global threshold value assigned to the products. Now let's see how to update product threshold value in bulk. This function is a quicker and easier way to update threshold value for a number of products at once instead of going through them one by one. For this, click on Import on the Products page. From the two options, select Import Products. In the pop-up window, click on Export from here. This will download an Excel sheet with existing product details. You will get a notification once the download is complete. Click on the notification and save the file. Open the file to enter threshold values for all or selected products. And click on Save. Go back to the Import Products page and upload the file either by drag and drop or by browsing. Once uploaded, tick mark the checkbox for Update Existing Products. You will see the list of different data sets that can be updated. Tick mark for Threshold. Lastly, click on Import. This will update threshold quantity for all products in one go. To see a list of all the low stock products, simply go to Inbox and click on the low stock number in Products bar. Clicking on it will direct you to the products page, and the automatic filter of low stock will display the products below threshold. That's how you stay updated and never let your stock go below threshold value. Hope this was a useful video. For more queries on this, click on the chat icon at the bottom right corner to chat with Orderhive product expert. Subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.